This video is on the KWA M9 Tactical. Let's look inside the box. You get the KWA warranty, a number to call if you're missing any parts, the KWA sticker, bag of BBs to start, hop-up adjustment tool, and the M9 Tactical. The M9 Tactical is constructed of a metal frame and a metal slide. With the orange tip. A 24 round mag. It has the weight and feel of a real M9. It has the tactical accessory rail right here, so you can add flashlights or lasers to it. Slides right on and off. Okay. If you want to remove the slide, you take out the mag, you press this button here, you sling this down, and then the front comes off. And there's what it looks like. This is a gas blowback pistol. To be safe, no BBs, nothing in the chamber. The hop-up adjustment is made here. You take the hop-up adjustment tool, you insert it into switch hands. You can see it right here. You insert the tool, and then you can either adjust counterclockwise for more hop, clockwise for less hop. I would recommend 0.25 or 0.30 BBs for this replica. The FPS with 2 O's is 300 to 330 using green gas. This is another fine example of KWA products. The weight is nice, the finish is really nice. It has a nice kick to it when it fires. It's very snappy. You get a good mag that holds a lot of gas for the 24 rounds BBs. All right, that's all we have today on the KWA M9 Tactical.